Today we have the 2021 Volvo XC40. This vehicle has done just over 55,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights and our keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control. Moving on to our screen, on our first page, we have our applications. On the second, we have our key features. And on the third, we have our car functions. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below, we have our drive mode button. From here, we can switch between our 4 different driving modes. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim.